Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we want to teach you how to use ginger to make your teeth whiter and nicer. If you have ever looked into the mirror and then you wish that your teeth were white and then brighter, then this particular remedy that I'm going to talk about in this video is for you. So when we say teeth whitening, it is just a process of removing stains and then discoloration from your teeth to make sure that your teeth look brighter, whiter, and then cleaner and then nicer. So the stains or the decoration on your teeth that is making your teeth to look very bad may be coming from drinking too much coffee, tea, red wine, or sometimes even smoking and poor brushing habits. So if you have ever done this and then your teeth doesn't look good, kindly ensure that you do this particular remedy that I'm going to talk about. So for this remedy, all that you need is ginger and salt. So what you see on the screen is the ginger. The ginger is very common. If you go to those people who sell spices and then the vegetables, they can easily give you the ginger to use for this particular remedy. The ginger is what the Yoruba people call the atale in Nigeria. And then when you come to Ghana, the Akans call it akakaduro. The scientific name is the Zingiber officinal. So it is very common. As I said, if you go to even supermarkets, you can easily get the ginger. If you cannot get the raw or the fresh ginger, you can use the ginger powder or already made ginger juice for this particular remedy. So apart from the ginger, what you see on the screen is the sea salt. So the sea salt is also very common. If you cannot get a sea salt, you can use any other salt that is available to you to use for this particular remedy. So after getting the salt and then the ginger, all that you are supposed to do is that if the ginger is powder, you are just going to take 1 tablespoon and then you pour it into a bowl. If you also have the ginger juice, rather, you are going to use 3 tablespoons. You are just going to take 3 tablespoons of the ginger juice and then you will just pour it into the bowl. But if the ginger is raw ginger, you are just going to take about 3 pieces. You are going to grind it, or if you can grate it, you grate it. If you can also pound it, you pound it and then you use it. If you also have a machine to mill it, you can do that. You can mill it and use it. So after milling or grinding or blending or grating, all that you are supposed to do is that you now squeeze the juice out of it. So you squeeze the juice from the ginger that you have grated. After getting the juice, you now add about 3 tablespoons of the juice into the bowl. So please, if you are going to use a ginger powder, you are now going to add a very little amount of water to it. And then what you are going to do is that you now add sea salt. But please, if you are going to use the ginger juice, that one you are not going to add any water to it, just the juice. So after adding the little water to the ginger powder, you are going to add just small amount of sea salt. So apart from the sea salt, as I said, you can use any salt that is available to you. You are going to add just a small amount of it, like maybe half of a teaspoon to it. And then if you also have lemon juice, you can add just a quarter of a teaspoon of the lemon juice. So if you take a teaspoon of the lemon juice, you just divide that one even into 4 parts, and then you just take 1 part of it and then add it to the mixture of the sea salt and then the ginger juice that you have made. You just mix these 3 items together. But please, the lemon juice is optional. If you cannot get it, fine. You can use only the salt and then the ginger juice. You mix it very well. And then what you are going to do is that you now take your brush. So after taking your brush, you now dip your brush into the mixture and then you use it to brush your teeth gently. Please, it's gently. You are just going to brush it gently for 1 or 2 minutes. And then after that, you are now going to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You are going to do this and then that is all. But please, you are going to repeat this for 2 or 3 times. So you can do this maybe Monday morning and then Wednesday evening and then Friday morning. You are going to do this for just 3 times a week. And then you are going to do this for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, depending on the stains on your teeth. And then you see that your teeth will become very, very nice. But please do not do this always. if you think that maybe your problem is very serious, so you are going to do it always. No, please don't do that, else you may destroy or damage your enamel or your gums. So please do not do that. Kindly ensure that you just go by the 2 or 3 times a week, and then you see that you still see results. So please, when we are doing that too, when you are brushing your teeth, ensure that the focus will be more on the teeth and not the gums. But if it touches the gum, still there is no problem, but ensure that you brush the teeth alone. You do not focus on the gums, because this can harm your teeth if you do it with pressure. And then make sure that you also use a very soft brush for this particular remedy. So we are just going to do it only 2 and then 3 times a week, and then you see that you are going to see result. And then the lemon juice too, as I said, do not go and add too much lemon juice to it. You are going to damage your teeth. The way the remedy is going to remove the stains, if you put that same pressure on your gums, it may worry you. So please kindly ensure that you do it gently and then with care, so that you bring your testimony. This works because the ginger that you are going to use, it kills bacteria in your mouth, and then the salt also scrubs the stains away from the teeth. That is why this works very well. And then the lemon juice also helps to brighten the teeth. So please kindly do this. If you cannot get the lemon juice, as I said, it is not a big deal. You can just use only the ginger juice and then the salt. So please kindly do this. This is natural, affordable, and very easy to do. We mostly have ginger in our home, so please kindly try this remedy and then you bring your testimony. In the next video, we shall talk about how to use the same ginger as a man to perform very, very well in bed, or how to use it for men health. So please kindly ensure that you are going to subscribe to the channel and then you press the notification bell, so that you'll be notified when I post those videos. This particular month, we are going to talk much about how to use ginger for so many things, for weight loss and even spiritual purposes. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel and then for more remedies, so that whenever I post anything, you can be notified. Please kindly like the video, you subscribe to the channel, and then comment with any particular remedy that you want, and then I will post about it. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.